Hello and welcome. You are learning AWS CloudFront and our today's topic is really very interesting because we are going to talk about one problem and the solution of problem. Now I don't want to explain you this problem theoretically. Why? Because just understand this problem with practical. Let's experience this problem and then we will go for the solution. So let's start. Here, I am going to use AWS S3 bucket static web hosting as a origin. I have one bucket in the US and Virginia. Now, when you are going to perform this practical, I recommend you to set up your bucket from distance away from your location. For example, I am recording this video from India, so I just created this bucket into the Virginia. If you are watching and performing this lab from US, create your bucket into India. Why? Because we want to understand how this caching is actually working and the problem that we are facing. So, create your bucket away from your location. Now here, I have one static website hosted. Here, if you look at this property, you will get static website URL as well. And if I'm going to open this website, it is looking like this. Now, I want to use this static website as the origin. For your lab, I am going to provide you all this website and details into the description of this video. Now here, I have CloudFront distribution. I don't have any CloudFront distribution, so let's create this. Here, I am going to select this S3 bucket as a origin, and when I am selecting this, it is telling me to use website endpoint. I am saying that yes, and I don't want to touch any other setting. I am going with the default options. I have to disable this web application firewall, so I am going to click on create distribution. Now once you create distribution, the distribution deployment process will start, and right now it is deploying. We want to utilize this deployment process, so we have to wait till we are going to get deployed status. Okay, so now it is deployed. You can verify this. Now you are not going to get this deploying status. Now if I'm going to open this website using CloudFront URL, I'm able to open this, right? Now here we want to understand how these things are actually happening. I know that you guys are already aware about it, but let's repeat this to understand this particular scenario. Now here I have origin, which is my S3 static website, which is in USA. I'm using CloudFront distribution, and CloudFront distribution is actually getting content from here, and then it is going to cache this into the all over world. So here actually I have cache of my origin in India. Now suppose if I'm sitting over here in India, and if I'm going to open this website using CloudFront URL, I will get this website from here, right? This is how actually CloudFront working. Now what happen if I'm going to update website from here? So what I'm doing right now, I'm going to origin and I'm going to update website from the origin. So here I have code. I will provide you this code, and here I'm going to add just one tag onto the main heading, new update, right? I'm just going to edit index.html. Now I'm going to save this. Going to the S3. Here I am inside S3, and because I don't have versioning enabled, I'm going to update index.html. Uploaded. Now, if I will open bucket website using a static web hosting URL, definitely I will get updated website. Why? Because here we are not caching this. But if you will open website using CloudFront URL, you will never get this update. Look at this. See, I'm trying to open this. Even if I'm trying to open this into the incognito tab, because we want to make sure that it is not using browser cache, you will find out that, see, here we are not getting it. Why we are not getting it? Because the reason is very simple. You updated website here in the origin. But user sitting in India actually I'm getting this website from the age location, and age location is actually not updated. So in this case, how I can make my website updated? Now here there is a TTL for the cache. It will automatically update this after expiration of TTL for sure. But if you want to make this change immediately, you want that whenever user is going to open the website from India, right, they will get the updated website as well. So in this case, we have one solution of the problem as well. Let's do this. Sorry, I know that you want to watch full video, but full video is now not available on YouTube. If you want to watch full video, I want you to go to our website. When you will go to our website, you will find out our course 100 Days YouTube Challenge. I want you to enroll for this course by paying only 499 rupees for lifetime if you are from India. If you are from outside of India, you just need to pay $7 US. Once you will enroll to this course, you are going to get all full videos over there on our portal. You are also going to get certificate after completing the course, and we have just uploaded 120 videos. We are going to upload another 120 videos as well. So there will be total 240 videos. I hope we are going to meet inside the class. Thank you very much.